minutes.
All right, Amanda, an important event is happening next week for those who served in the military. The Central Alabama Veterans Health Care System is hosting a Veterans Town Hall. Joining us now is Valerie Russell with more. Valerie, talk about the resources that will be offered at this town hall.
Absolutely. Thank you for having us today. So during our face-to-face town hall that will be held on Wednesday, January the 17th from 5 to 6 p.m. at our Montgomery West campus, 215 Perry Hill Road. During that time, it is an opportunity for our veterans, their family members, and our community to learn what's happening at the VA, what's new, what's going on. And so we always invite our veterans, families, and their friends, community, to be a part of our town halls. So there will be resources from our Veterans Benefits Administration, as well as our patient advocates if they have any medical questions or concerns that they want to discuss, as well as our Alabama Department of Veterans Affairs representatives will be on site.
Why is it important to offer this face-to-face opportunity, this one-stop shop for folks? Well,
you know, we've been virtual for so long, and now we're back, and it's just to get a chance to meet folks in person, and then to have them have an opportunity to meet our leadership team and be able to interact one-on-one with them. So we think that's very important.
For someone who feels like maybe I don't really have any questions at the moment, why would you still encourage them to come out and network and meet with folks?
I still think we think it's important to learn about the Veterans Administration, our healthcare system, and so once they, connect with someone, they'll have the opportunity to dialogue with them later if they don't have any questions. We have venues to keep track of any questions that they may think about later, and those are opportunities to bring those back in the future for town halls to discuss them.
What kind of questions or issues do you hear come up at these town halls?
Well, oftentimes our veterans do want to talk about their care, so that's why we have our patient advocates on site. They also want to talk about their benefits. There are sometimes regulation changes or updates to benefits that they had in the past. So that is a venue for them to learn more about the recent changes.
If you have a benefits question or something very specific, should you bring that paperwork documentation with you?
Absolutely. Again, our Veterans Benefits Administration, we will have representatives on site. So good to be able to refer to what they have so that we can delve into more of their issues or concerns.
And again, this is a face-to-face town hall happening Wednesday, January 17th. Do folks need to register?
No, they do not. Come to Perry Hill Road 215 and we will be waiting for you.
And for people who want to attend but may not be able to, are there other options to get this information?
Absolutely. We will be joining also during our Facebook Live.
Okay, so
another venue.
Facebook Live or in person, ideally in person if you can come out and meet these folks face to face. Anything else you want people to know?
Well, I definitely want to share that we've serviced over 54,000 veterans, and 8,500 of those were female veterans in 2023. Again, please come out and join us for our face-to-face town hall that is scheduled for Wednesday, January the 17th from 5 to 6 p.m. We're looking forward to seeing you.
And you said you will have that on Facebook Live as well. Valerie, thanks so much for joining us here on Alabama Live. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having